Welcome to this introduction video about the use of Gmail. In this video we will show you how you can undo the sending of an email. We will start with typing an email. In this case, we forgot to attach a document to this email. Fortunately, we can click Undo on the bottom left side of the screen. And now we can add the document and resend the email. By pressing View Message, we can read the message again. You can set the amount of seconds that Gmail waits for sending the messages. Click here for the settings icon and press See All Settings. And select the amount of seconds you want to set. In this case, we select 30 seconds. Don't forget to save your changes. Now you have 30 seconds before an email message is being sent.